When the sun rose on World Bee Day, the little girl set up booths, but she didn't sell anything, but distributed honey sticks to raise people's awareness of the importance of bees. The 8-year-old girl knew that bees were vital pollinators, and she wanted to do something to help them. World Bee Day was established by the United Nations in 2017 to raise awareness of the role of bees and other pollinators in the ecosystem. Pollination is necessary for many plants to reproduce, and bees are the pollinators who pollinate food crops and white plants the most. Bees have been producing honey and pollinating crops for millions of years. The earliest known beekeeping industry originated in ancient Egypt and can be traced back to around 2400 BC. Beekeeping has spread from Egypt to other parts of the world, and honey has become an important sweetener and ingredient of alcoholic beverages such as honey wine. Sadly, since the 1990s, the number of bees has greatly decreased due to habitat loss, pollution, and pesticides. This poses a serious threat to the environment and food sources. According to some estimates, as many as 75% of the world's food crops depend on bees and other pollinators. If we don't take action to protect them, a world without bees may become a reality. On World Bee Day, people found creative ways to express their support for bees and raise awareness of protecting pollinators. Community groups organize beekeeping workshops, students wear bee costumes, and cities install bee hotels to provide habitats. People are encouraged to buy locally produced honey and plant more flowers to provide food for bees. People use the hashtag #WorldBeeDay to post photos of bees, honey, and bee-friendly gardens on social media. By the end of the day, the 8-year-old girl had distributed more than 200 honey stickers to remind people about bees and the simple actions that each of us can take to help them. She was doing her modest part to create a better future for bees and ensure that these key pollinators have a place in the sustainable food system for future generations. The little girl proved that no one, regardless of age, is too young to contribute to World Bee Day. May 20th is World Bee Day. This is a painting we drew with oil pastels for this special day. Happy World Bee Day. Cheers!